So the first thing you do, open up your Word document, click on blank document. Step number 1 is to save your document. So you will go File, Save As, and you will click Browse. Select the folder that you would like to store your information in. Please remember to organize through a convention. So have a naming convention for yourself. This one I'm going to be calling Exemplar Document Setup for assignments. As you can see, I've capitalized each of my words. Then choose the right document style. We're wanting to save as a Word document. We do not want to save as a PDF yet because that is done post-editing. Step 2 is font style. The two conventions are Arial or Times New Roman. Personally, I prefer Times New Roman. Step number 3 is font size. Font size 12 is the convention for formal assessments. Step 4 is alignment. You want to justify your text. It looks professional, it's neater. Step 5 is line spacing, 1.5 or 1.15. That adds the white space. Click on the arrow to expand your menu. Word of advice, set as default, so that when you open up your blank document, it opens up as is. Step number 6 is margins. Go to Layout. In the left, click on Margins, Custom Margin, and then customize to 2 centimeters. If the cm does not pop up, it stands for centimeters. If it doesn't pop up, please add in cm, or else it will automatically go to inches due to Microsoft being an American standard. Ensure that it's portrait unless you want landscape, and then once again set as default. Yes. Now, what does that look like? So as you can see over here, I've taken an extract from the article on transformative learning, and this is how it will look. So I just want to show you, here's Arial, for example. Looks nice, very neat, very tidy, very easy on the eyes. This is Times New Roman. There's font size 10, font size 11, and font size 12. As you can see, there's small a in the big A. It's sizing up and sizing down. So select everything you need and then just click on those. Okay, that's what aligning to the left looks like. Justify your text. That's 1.15. I know that some places their convention is 1.15. I just prefer the layout, the design of it. And then over here, margins. So a hack for students, not at universities. If you don't have enough content, you can always just play around with the margins and with the line spacing. Assignments are all about the process. You don't just sit down with a blank document and come up with a masterpiece. You have to follow a certain process, and these processes are put in place to ensure certain standards are met within certain industries. And you as a student are being trained how to approach things. You are being given the knowledge. adhere to these guidelines, adhere to the layout, adhere to the conventions, and your marks will increase. The quality of work that you are producing will become better, and it will also become a fun experience for you. Within the next few videos, we will also be covering referencing, so the difference between in-text referencing and citation, reference list versus bibliography, referencing systems, and we will also look at assignment process, so setting up, getting started with your assignment, approaching each section, how to go about doing it, how to take the instructions and design something that actually meets the brief. And then also we will be discussing research, so search engines, keywords, sources, academic resources, and then differentiating in quality, so what is an academic source and what is an opinion piece.